So today's class was good because it helps me break down. Number one, helps me project my spending in the future. Then it also helps me break down the amount of money I'll need to then achieve that goal. Because usually with investments and the financial projections we make and the goals that we have, they tend to be very big and abstract. And so what they do is that they will create anxiety because you feel overwhelmed. So the beauty about today's class specifically is that we have been taken through a process where we've learned that you can actually break it down into annual investments, and then you break down that further into monthly investments. And so what that has done for me is make me realize that financial freedom and planning is not as overwhelming as it's made out to look. In most other media that I tend to read, even those books on financial planning. So I'm really pleased about today's class. Yes.